Sixth sum. Cross section of a nuclear cooling tower is in the shape of hyperbola. This is a tower. This is a hyperbola. This is an hyperbola. This is a nuclear cooling tower. It is shape of hyperbola. Is shape of hyperbola. Okay. With center at origin. Center is nothing but origin. This equation is given nothing but x. They is given the equation. What is the given equation here? X square by 30. X square by 30 minus y square by 44 is equal to 1. So the tower is 150 meter. So its height of the tower is nothing but 150 meter. The height of the tower is nothing but from here to is height of 150 meter. Height of the tower is nothing but 150 meter. So next what they are going to say? See, tower is 150 meter tall, and the distance from the top of the tower to the center of hyperbola, this very important line, you need to see this line. The distance from the top of the tower, this is the top of the tower, this is the top of the tower, this is the distance, this is the distance from top of the tower to the center of hyperbola. This is the center of hyperbola. The distance, they are speaking about this distance, the distance from top of the tower to the center of the hyperbola, is means nothing but equal to, from this distance is equal to distance from the base of the tower to the center of hyperbola. Now what are you saying? This one is, see, let's listen to the question. The distance from top of the tower to the center of hyperbola, this distance is, if I want to get this distance, I want to make this distance with half. You can able to understand, I think so. If I want this distance from year to year, if I need the distance, what I want to do? This distance I should divide by 2. If I going to divide this distance by 2, I will get this distance. This is the meaning of that. So see, the distance from top of the tower to center of hyperbola, is half the distance. I need to make this distance half. Then only I get this distance. So as total distance 150 meter, from year to year, I can easily calculate this distance will be 100. 100 by 2. What is 100 by 2? Nothing but 50. So 100 by 2 is nothing but 50. Total distance nothing but 150. Total distance nothing but 150. See, then what I am going to do? So this one is nothing but 50. This one is 50. This one is 50. So what will be this point? This one is 50. I can choose. This one is nothing but x1 comma 50. This one I can choose as x1 comma 50. This one is 100. No. How I can x1 comma minus 100, because x is positive but y is negative. No, x1 comma minus 100. So I am going to find x1. This one is x1 not x2. I am going to find x2. I am going to find x1. I am going to find x2. So I need to apply this. I want to find the answer. So this is the equation they given here. First write the equation: x square by 30 square hyperbola, so minus y square by 44 square is equal to 1. First apply the point x1 comma minus 50, x1 comma plus 50, not minus 50. This will be x, this will be y. Apply the point in place of x, x1 square 30 square. What is y? 50 square 44 square is equal to 1. Next what I am going to do? This one move this side. This minus will become plus. Though x1 square 30 square is equal to 1 plus 50 square by 44 square. 50 square by 44 square. So what I want to do? x1 square by 30 square is equal to, I want to cross multiply. No, first I want to find 44 square. First I will make a cross multiply. 44 square plus 50 square divided by 44 square. So this 30 square come this side. x1 square is equal to 30 square, open the bracket, 44 square plus 50 square divided by 44 square. Why you place in only square? So make a sum very easy. So I am going doing all these things. So first 44 the whole square. 44 into 44. 4 4s are 16, carry over 1. 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 1, 17. The same answer, 176. So 6, 7 plus 6, 13, 7, 8, 9. Answer is nothing but 1936. Next, 50 into 50. 5 5s are 25. I can make 2 zeros. So x1 square is equal to 30 square into This 1936, I need to add both the things. So 6 plus 0, 6. 3 plus 0, sorry, 3 plus 0, 3. I want, because 1936 plus 2500. 6 plus 0, 6. 3 plus 0, 3. 9 plus 5, 14. Carry 1. 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 6. 4, 4, 3, 6. 44 square. This square come, this becomes square root. X1 is equal square root of 30 square, 4436 and 44 square. Since I am not using negative, because length cannot be negative, so I don't need to put negative values. So x is equal to 30 square, I can write 30, 44 square, I can write 44, but this one I need to find the square root. This very 4436. See students, how I am going to find? Using long division method. 4436. First these two values from back, from right to left, I want to choose two values. First two values, comma, 6 6 are 36. What are 14 minus 6? Nothing but 8. I want to bring 3, I need to bring 6. I need to multiply with 2. 6 2s are 12. So I would put 120. I put 6 here also, 6 here also. So 6 6 are 36, carry over 3. 6 2s are 12, 15, carry over 1. 6 7, 756. 6 minus 6, 0. 13 minus 5, 8. This will become 0. 80. So I need to place point here. So I can add 2 zeros. This is a long division method. If I am going to place point here, I can 2 zeros. This one should multiply with 2. 6 2s are 12, carry over 1. 12, 13, 132. I can place 1 second 6 here. 6 6 are 36, carry over 3. 6 2s are 12, carry over 1. Wait. 6 6 are 36, carry over 3. 6 are 12, 12 plus 15, carry over 1. 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 1, 19, carry over 1. 6 7, 7. This is very little. So I will stop. 66.6. 66.6. So I need to multiply all this value to get this answer. What are you going to multiply? See here. First, I need to multiply, I need to divide. Very lengthiest answer. What to do? We want to do no. 666 into 3. 6 3s are 18, carry over 1. 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 1, 19, carry over 1. 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 1, 19. I will check once again. 6 3s are 18, carry over 1. 6 3 18, 18 plus 19, carry over 18, 19. 1998. So I want to put 0, I want to put 0. After 1 point, I can place a decimal. So I place in decimal here. So 1998 divided by 4. 1998 divided by 44. This is 44. So 1998 by 44. What the answer is going to be? I don't know. I want to divide. No. So I divide here. 1998 divided by 44. Surely it not goes in 1 times. Surely goes. If I going to choose 4 times. See 4. 4 4s are 16. Carry on. 16 17. 9 minus 6. What is 9 minus 6? 9 minus 6 3. 9 minus 7 is 2. Bring down 8. Once again, how many times? 5 table. I will use 5 times. 5 4s are 20. Carry over 2. 20 22. So 8 1. So it's become less. So I place pointer. I put 180. How many times? Once again 4 times. So 4 times nothing but 176. 40. It came 40. So as 40 is very big, because I put 0 here, I want to put 0 here. I want to put 0 here, I want to put 0 here also. So 400. How many times I want to choose? Nearly 9 times I think so. Because see 440, yes, 9 times. If I'm going to choose 9 times, 45.409. This 45.409. Listen, 45.409. I'm going to take 45. This 9 I can convert, this 0 I can convert as 1. 45.41. 45.41. But what is the question? They ask in the diameter. So this distance is nothing but 45.41. As diameter I need to multiply with 2. Therefore diameter of top of tower is equal to 45.41 into 2. 2 8 10 carry 1 90 point here 90.82 meter. This is the first subdivision I finish. Next I want to apply x1 comma minus 100. So second subdivision, one of the biggest sum you need to do. First write x1 x2 comma minus 100. This will be x, this will be y. What is the point? X what is the given question? X square by 30 square. minus y square by 44 square is equal to 1. Apply here. After applying, x square is nothing but x2 square 30 square minus y square is minus 100 square. Minus 100 square by 44 square is equal to 1. This come this side. X square 30 square minus goes plus 1 plus this minus 100, this minus will become plus, no, so I don't need to put minus, I put 100 square only. Why I put 100 square only? Because this minus is going to become plus, minus a whole square plus, so I'm removing minus, I put in 100 square, so divided by 44 square. Now cross multiply. X square by 30 square is equal to 44 square plus 100 square by 44 square. Let 30 square move this side. What it becomes? X square is equal to 30 square, open the bracket, 44 square. What is 44 square? Now only we have find what is 44 square. 44 square is 1936. 1936. What is 100 square? 10000 divide by 44 square. If I going to add x square is equal to 30 square divided by 44 square into, if I going to add 11936. We are going to add 11936. Now I want to find x is equal to square root of 30 square 44 square into 11936. 11936. What I am going to do is very difficult sum. So x is equal to 30 square, I can write 30, 44 square, I can write 40, 11936, I need to find square root. See, square root of 11936. 2, from right to left I want to, two numbers I want to leave, two numbers. See, what is the answer I got from 1? 1 into 1 is 1. 1 minus becomes, I want to bring 2 digits, 19 as it is. 1 into 2, I can't place. So I need to put 0 here. After putting 0, I need to bring these 36 numbers. 36. See, now multiply it. 10 twos are 20. I need to place here also. 10 twos are 20. After 20, what is the numbers I can put? Whether it is 9 is possible, I will check. 9, 9. 9 nines are 81. 1 carry over 8. 9 it is 0, 0, 8. 9 twos are 18. Yes. 6 minus 1, 5. 13 minus 8 is also 5. Is 0. So I brought 36. So I want to place point here. I want to put zeros. So I want to multiply 2. 9 twos are 18. Carry over 1. 1 and 1 into 2 is 2. So I want to place 2. I think so. Put 2 here. 2 times it moves. 2 times. So 2 twos are 4. 2 eights are 16. Carry over 1. 2 into 1. 2 plus 1. 3. 2 twos are 4. Make a subtraction. 10 minus 4 is nothing but 6. This will become 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 4 is nothing but 1. So once again multiply the whole number with 2. 2 twos are 4. 9 twos are 18. Carry over 1. 1. 2184. 2184. So this, as I placed point here, I can put 2 zeros once again. 5 times. 5 times. Put the answer. I don't need answer. I need this only. So what is the answer? 109.25. Answer is 109.25. x2. This is x2. I forgot to put x2. All things are x2 here. If I going to multiply all the things and divide, the answer is nothing but 74.45 meter. If I going to multiply all the things, these two things are multiplied and divided, I will get 74.45 meter. So if I want, I will ready to do this one also. 109.25 into 3. 3 5s are 15. Carry over 1. 6, 7. 9 3s are 27. 3. Put 0 here. 30 no. 2 digit. So 327. I need to divide. 327.75 divided by 44. If I going to divide, I will get this answer, 75.45 meter. Diameter, I want to find diameter of base of tower. I need to multiply with 2. Nothing but 7445 multiply with 2 is nothing but 148.90 meter. This is our required answer. One of the biggest sum, but it's a very important sum to do.